Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn double century together, step by step. A double century in cricket is 200 runs. We'll count up to 200 and understand hundreds, tens, and ones. A three-digit number has hundreds, tens, and ones. 156 is 100, plus 5 tens, plus 6 ones. Counting in tens is quick. 10, 20, 30, all the way to 100, then on to 200. Each jump is 10 more. Compare 175 and 157. The hundreds match. In the tens, 7 beats 5, so 175 is bigger. To recap, a three-digit number is hundreds, tens, and ones. Count in tens up to 200 and compare from the left. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.